solve for y in the first equation, either x or y, it makes no difference. So we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. We need to find the x-intercept. Right? Let's isolate x. How will you solve for x?
Subtract y.
You subtract 4y. Same thing, nothing new. You end up with 2x equal. You got it 4y plus 12, and you divide by what? By 2. Then your equation B x-intercept. You end up with negative 2y plus 6. What will be your x-intercept as another pair?
6, 0.
That will be 6, 0. Alright? Now you go back to the same equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now you're solving for what?
Y.
Solving for y. What will you do?
Subtract 2x.
You subtract 2x. Then you have 4y equal negative 2x plus 12. Then what do you do?
Divide by 4.
You divide by 4. Then you have y equal negative
2 over 4.
It's not negative 2, man.
Oh.
Negative
Wait, hold on.
1 half x plus y. 3. How will you go ahead and as another term? 0, 3. And this equation was 4y, right? 2x plus 4y is equal to, well, those are the intercepts for that. Then you go back in the other equation, you do the same thing, you solve for x. You have x plus y is equal to 2. This is very easy. What do?
Subtract y.
You subtract y. Then you have x equal
Negative
y
1.
plus 2. What is your x-intercept?
2,
That will be 2,
0.
0. So I use a different color, so I do not mix them. Alright, now I'm going to solve for what? For y. X plus y is equal to 2. I will also solve for that.
Subtract x.
Subtract x. Then my equation will be y equal negative x
Plus 2.
plus 2. I will write that as another pair.
0, 2.
0, 2. Then I'm ready to graph that. And the graph, if there exists a solution, the graph will find it for me. Other than that, I could go for the slope intercept form and compare the slope. 6, 0, where will you go?
To the right.
To the right. That will be 2, 4, that will be 6, 0. Right? And the other one is 0, 3. Where will you put that?
To the up.
That will be 2 unit. That will be 4. That will be 0, 3. And I'm going to use this as my guide. Alright? Those of you said you don't know how to graph, that's the same thing you will have to do to find the intercept. That's my first line. And this equation was what? 2x plus what?
4y.
4y
equals
is equal to
12.
12. I'm done with that. So I'm going to go with the other one. Right? One plate was 2, 0. Where's 2, 0? Where you'll find 2, 0?
Up.
To the right. This is 2, 0 here.
Tight.
To the right. The other one is what?
Up.
How many units?
2.
That will be somewhere down there. That will be 0, 2. Now again, connect it here. Is it on those 2 points?
Yeah.
Oops, 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 oops. Right now. That's it, difficult with graph. Right? And you go. And the graph will tell you more or less if exists a solution. With graphing, sometimes it's not perfect, but more or less you can guess estimate the solution. Now let's see what the solution would have been. Anybody, what will you guess? This is -2. This is what? -3. And this is what? 4. What point is that? That will be -3, comma 4. According to that the solution is going to be the solution. The graph will find the solution for you if you do it correctly. Is that difficult?
No.
Same thing. But as long as you plot them correctly, more or less, you should be in basis. Can you pause that? Right? See, nothing new. Slope and the y-intercept. Let's look for line 1. What is the slope? 1. It's m is equal to 1. What is the y-intercept? Alright, as another pair, that will be 0, -1. Now the only thing I have to do is go and solve for x. And solve for x in this case will be extremely easy. You have y equal x minus 1. I want x to be by itself. What do you do? Add 1, then you're done. You get x. Then you'll have x equal y
Plus 1.
plus 1. What is our x-intercept?
1.
That will be 1, comma
0.
0. And your equation, this is y equal x minus 1. I'm done. I find my 2 points for this one. I'm going to go in the second equation. What is my slope? 2. What is my y-intercept? Alright, now I'm going to go and solve for what?
X.
Solve for x. I have 2x plus 7 is equal to y. I'm solving for x. What do I need to do?
Subtract 7.
Subtract 7. Good. Then I will have 2x equal y minus
7.
7. Then what do I do next?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. Then I will have x equal
1 over
half
y minus
minus 3, 1.5, or 7 over 2, or -3.5, either or, right? As in other period, I will write it. Negative 3, 1/2, comma 0. Then I'm ready to go plot those points, then that will be my work. Let's grab the first one. 0, -1. Where is that located? 0, -1. Down. How many units?
Mr. DC, it would be. Hold on. Never mind.
This one? Change it to a mixed number. 0, -1. You go 1 unit here. Here. And the other one is what? 1, 0. What direction?
Up.
1, 0.
Up.
1, 0, you go up.
Oh.
Go to the right, people. I'm telling you.
Oh.
Then you do what? Use your ruler to the best of your ability. Right? You see it? Then you go. And what is the equation of the line? Y equal what? X minus 1. That's the first line. For the second line, what is the y-intercept? Second equation, y-intercept is what? How many units?
2.
That will be +2, +4, +6, +8. Where will you put 0, 7?
In between 6 and 8.
Halfway, right? That will be this point here. 0, 7. Right? Negative 3/2. What direction? Left, right? Go to the left. That will be negative 2, negative 4. Where's 3.5 is equal to negative? Between negative 3 and negative 4. That will be negative 3/2. Then use your ruler again. Okay. Make sure it's to your best. Make sure it's in the center. Then your equation is y